Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marsha, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: Greek baked fish with tomatoes and onions. Let's get to the ingredients: dry red wine, sliced onions, lemon, garlic, cinnamon, parsley, tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, paprika, oregano, black pepper, salt, and sugar. This dish is made with halibut or cod. I am using cod. I've washed it and rinsed it several times in cold water. Now I'm going to add the lemon juice, the salt, and the black pepper. I'm going to mix this up together, and then I will put it in the refrigerator to let it rest in the lemon juice for about 10 minutes while we make the next part of the dish. While the fish is resting in the refrigerator, I have a pan here, and I'm going to turn it on to medium high heat. I'm going to add some olive oil to the pan. We're going to add the garlic to the pan and the onions, and we're going to saute this up together for about a minute. See, the onions and garlic have sauteed up enough so we can add the rest of the ingredients in. Here comes the tomatoes jumping in the pot. We stir this up. The cinnamon, half of the parsley, the sugar, the black pepper, the oregano, the paprika, and the wine. We mix all of this up together, and then we let it saute for about 15 minutes. I think the sauce is ready to add the fish to it. After we add the fish to the pan, I've already preheated my oven to 375 degrees. We're going to put it in the oven and let it cook for a half an hour. I've taken the cod out of the refrigerator now. I'm going to layer it in the pan with the sauce. We're going to cover the fish with the sauce in the pan. Okay, the rest of the parsley, we sprinkle it over the top. Now that I have the Greek baked fish in the oven, I'm deciding what should I make as a side dish. I thought about it and I decided to make saffron rice. The ingredients what I would be using for this dish is olive oil, chicken broth, bay leaf, onions, and garlic and scallions. Saffron. I have the powdered one, but you can have they also sell the string ones too, the thread of saffron. And also a lime. We're going to use the skin of the lime. I'm going to grate that up. And the rice I will be using is basmati rice. So I have a cast iron pot here, and I'm going to turn it on medium. I'm going to add the oil. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Let's let it heat up a little bit. Then we will add the garlic and the onions. We'll let this saute up here for about a minute. Now that the garlic, onions, and scallions have sauteed, we're going to add the chicken broth. The saffron. Okay. Now we're going to grate the lime. Try not to get the white part because that's bitter. And the bay leaf. We stir up everything and we let it simmer here for about 3 minutes. Then we add the basmati rice. Here you have it, Greek baked fish in tomatoes and onions with saffron rice. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye.